This video and its contents are based on my opinion and compare based on other people's opinion as well. So enjoy.
So these are everything we need for this DIY. We need a knife, a clove of garlic, we need a chopping board, we need 2 clean water and apple cider vinegar. We need a needle and some thread. We need some clean kitchen towels, and yeah, that's everything we need for this DIY. Basically, let's get right into this tutorial, guys. Needle, we need to sterilize our needle and thread in the apple cider vinegar because we don't want any more infection down there. We all know where this is going on, so we need to sterilize our thread and our needle and place that aside. The next thing is we need to peel off the garlic clove, and ladies, make sure you don't poke the garlic while peeling because we don't want any juice to come out from the garlic clove. So after peeling it off, we put it in the water, in a clean warm water, and what that does is that we're going to use that to place the garlic clove in the clean water and rinse it off. We're going to rinse our soaked needle in a apple cider vinegar, and we place it in another clean bowl of water, and we just give it a rinse. So after cleaning the needle and thread in a clean warm water, and also the garlic clove is already rinsed in a warm water, cut the thread short. So what we need to do now is you give it a knot. You knot the end of the thread. You knot it. Make sure it's very tight. While you're peeling the garlic clove, make sure you don't poke the garlic clove because we don't want any juice to come out of it. And the reason is that if you have any juice coming out of the garlic clove, it will make it very active in your vagina, and we don't want it to be very active. So you put it in the middle of the garlic clove. You put the needle straight through to the garlic clove, like so. So the needle is been cut off. Now we are left with this, and yeah, this is the part you need to insert in your vagina, and you leave the thread dangling. So what you do now is when you insert this at night, you leave it till the next morning. When you wake up in the next morning, just before having your shower, you pull the thread. The thread might not be the thread should not be short. Yes, I advise you using a long thread so you have enough thread to pull out the garlic clove in your V-JayJay. So what you do is in the morning, let's say you've inserted the garlic clove in your V-JayJay at night, and it's like so. So in the morning you have this thread dangling. So in the morning, all you need is you just pull it out like so. And what this does is it will cure the yeast infection you have in your V-JayJay, and this garlic clove in your V-JayJay will kill all the bacteria you have in there. And after taking it out, then you use nice warm water to clean your V-JayJay, and that is it, ladies.